Now, unlike our last video, this part of the track was extremely loud, especially here at C Course. However, today we're actually here for the skid pack section of Meihan, which I feel like we've never actually showed before. And we actually have a couple of friends here who are visiting not only for this event and to actually drive their cars here in Japan that they bought here in Japan for the first time, they're actually here to attend Kansai All-Stars this coming weekend. Still haven't made a Kansai All-Stars video yet, which might change after this. But what actually brought us here was a request from one of the homies, as Aaron Levitt, the man I featured in Final Bout 7 not too long ago, had just picked up a car in Japan. And well, he needed a seat! And we all know we got seats! This time around, Ryota would also be joining us, but not in the mean green S14 as usual, as this time he brought out his 350Z to simply get acquainted with the car, as he's been using it for a practice car when he's not in the S14. So let's get this simple skid pad day started, as nothing could possibly go wrong. What's going on here?
Yeah, today was the first like shakedown, if you will. I've always wanted to drive D course. I know it's like a silly little skid pad, but it gets pretty intense, especially when you're tandeming, and it's super fun.
What brought you to Japan this time?
Basically, Jordan found me a pretty sick car, so it's a pretty basic car, but you know, we found it in auction, and when he sent it to me, I couldn't resist. It was too good a price to pass up. So
may I ask the price that you ended up with?
Sorry, I think it was like 14 grand, because they said it has like lifter tick. It's startup. All right, maybe I'll have to do lifters or something, but I like cold start, it would tick and they would go away as it warmed up. So I'm like, all right, let's just drift. Maybe it'll clean up and bleed throughout the RPM, you know? And yeah, it did a drift, so. What the fuck, dude? I'm like, I don't want any attention. I just want to drift. I just want to do some runs.
What happened? What's your horn?
Oh, dude, that's so noob. I thought the car was tall enough in the front, and like we switched layouts to counterclockwise, and it rubbed the harness, and so the horn stuck on. So it kind of sounded like I was stoked. I'm just like, it's sketchy. I don't know. It was funny.
You gotta love the battery special here. We have flexible material, could be bought anywhere in the world.
Is that made in Japan?
Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Amazon box special.
Yeah.
Prime day special.
As a Japanese person, approach.
Buddy Wolfman, he wired some gauges for me, and he designed and 3D printed these gauge pods for the vents. Check this out. So he 3D printed them at his work and designed them, and they have little vents in them, so the air con, heat, and all that can flow through the gauge.
That's so sick.
So it still works. That's Wolfman.
Yeah, the genius technician that made the gauge pods.
Yeah, but how cool is that? Yeah, so
so
we're actually able to monitor some stuff, which is nice, because this is just a mystery auction car, you know, and we're like, we haven't done any pulls on it. We just idle it. We didn't do any rips or anything. So we're like, it says it has a clutch type, cool. It says it has a 5-speed and it's a 6-speed. It's like perfect little starter kit. So I was like, if the engine pulls clean, let's fucking just start drifting, and it worked. It was pretty low boost, but feels, my butt says it makes like 300, which is perfect, so.
As you can see in the footage, Ryota was already getting down with Aaron for some runs in the 350. So I thought I'd ask the obvious and ask him the differences from driving his usual green machine compared to this much more tamed Fairlady Z.
The 350 today.
Yeah, I drove 350 for the second time. But obviously, like first time driving vehicle skid pad.
Yeah.
Like I wasn't expect that good angle keep it. I haven't much power, so it's very hard to keep with Aaron and Jody's, but it was so much fun to drive with them. For myself, if I do like solo runs, it's kind of boring.
Yeah.
But like push me hard, and when I'm reading them, I'm trying to like aggressive driving, and then it was super comfortable with my new Z. I still like sometimes I did very good snap where the initiation, but like still I'm not comfortable with it because I didn't have not too much confidence with the entry. Z has V6, the weight balance is like that. Enter after initiation, get some rock, and then feel like sometimes I can go, but like Z cannot go like that. So I need to like little bit like slow down after initiation, but like go, it's good.
Yeah, I could see you forcing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're driving a slow car really fast, so it was
Thank
cool.
you,
But I
'cause
could see you like manhandling it.
Yeah, you push me so hard.
Likewise, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like having to keep up to try to like get the run up to like faint with him, like in the right timing.
Yeah.
Because he was driving the slow car so fucking fast. So I was like,
Yeah.
hell yeah. I look over and see him laughing and trying to shit.
Too kind.
And then I would look and be like, all right, lift, all right, then
Yeah.
floor it. Yeah.
So good. And then like also I was pretty cheating to when start. Such is like this, and then like that.
I love it. I look over and like see his
Yeah.
fender and his head. I'm like, hell yeah. He's getting
And then,
it.
yeah, I was brass.
Thanks for the runs, man.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Now, even though the skid pad isn't the most exciting part of Meihan, there were a variety of cars that showed up to this event, like this JZ powered STI, to some D1 cars that showed up, like this VQ powered Z4. One car that was getting a lot of attention though was this orange S15 from everybody at the event, but of course, it's got the wrong seats in them, but you know, you can't catch them all, you can't catch them all. As the day came to an end, they had a raffle for the drivers along with rock, paper, scissors that anybody could join for some fun prizes and just to show appreciation for everybody who attended.
Sick.
I know this one was quick, short, and sweet, but that's what skid pad days usually are. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we will see you in the next video.